Hi, it's Lauren from A Visual Merriment. Today I wanted to show you the setup we had for my son's 6th birthday party. We did a dog Pawty party. It's not just limited to humans either. Actual dogs suit this theme too. These particular printables I sell in the shop, so I'll drop a link below if you're interested in them. Otherwise, you can also get some really cute ideas here for food labels and such. First up is an easy one, and that is the invitation. It's a 5x7. Sorry about the shaky screen. I didn't realize when I was recording just how bad it was, so I'll have to change that for next time. So these are super simple. I also created a banner for him. Just like the invitation, this is fully editable, not edible, editable. So you can edit it and customize it with your own message and your own name. The banners are approximately 5x7 inches. The way that you hang your banner depends on where you're putting it. For this particular one, I was just attaching it to the wall, so I simply blue tacked it and made it look like it was hanging by putting some string behind it as well, which you'll see in the picture. Now on to the cupcake toppers. These can be used for other things, regular cakes as well as tags. I conveniently have a 2-inch round paper punch, so that makes this process a lot quicker and easier. You can, of course, just cut them out by hand as well. Usually for my cupcake toppers, I just attach them with some tape to a toothpick so that I can then insert them into the cupcake. I included food tents on my party table. These can also be used as bag toppers as well, to put little treats in. I came up with some cute little names like Pupcakes and Pawty Chips and Pup Corn, Puppy Chow, all those sorts of things. So they make it a lot more fun. I always use an object just to basically score the fold so that it's a nice, neat, crisp fold. You don't have to do this, but I prefer to do it just something like a coin or a button or a pop stick or an actual scorer. I used to have a scoring tool, but you can find anything around the house that will do it for you. I think I've used an eraser and a ruler before as well. Before downloading, I added my custom message to Hudson's chocolate wrapper labels. These will fit a Hershey's chocolate bar. I do have a video tutorial on how I use aluminium foil or aluminum foil, alfoil we call it over here, to wrap the chocolate bars. For this particular one, I did just buy some pre-cut foil wrappers, and that actually makes it nice and easy. Then I simply wrap the paper labels around the chocolate bar. I like to use washi tape to secure it just for a bit of extra colour, but you can use clear tape or even use double-sided tape underneath it so you don't see anything. The gift tags come in 2 different designs, so they have 3 different dogs on each design. These are pretty easy to whip up. You can trim them, you can angle the corners as well if you want to make an angled tag. simply use a hole punch if you want to thread it through the bag, or what I did for these particular ones is I just used one of those tiny little craft pegs to peg it to the bag, which gives those sticky, excited little hands easier access to the goodies inside their treat bag. You can also create your own custom party sign. It's an 8x10 sign, so it's quite a common size. You can just pop it into your own frame. This particular one's just more of welcome sign. You can create them with your own messages that you can display on drinks tables, food tables, for games, gift tables, things to say thank you for coming, please take a favour, and all those sorts of things. And the last printable party decor that I used for Hudson's dog Pawty were water bottle labels. Before cutting the ends completely, just double check to make sure they fit around the bottles, because bottles come in different shapes and sizes. They should fit most water bottles. I peeled off the labels from the water bottles. Then as I was attaching the labels, there's still a bit of sticky stuff from the original labels that came on the water bottle, so that it kind of made it easier for it to stick. Then I simply used some clear tape to attach it behind. Another way that you can use these water bottle labels is to attach them to these cute little glass jars, and then you can pop some straws in them, fill them with some flavoured milk or whatever it is that you want to put in there, and they look super cute as well. One thing that I did actually forget to record me making were the cake toppers. They are some cute little dog characters on sticks. It's basically, I attached them using food skewers, just like I did with the cupcake toppers. And that's it. That was Hudson's dog Pawty party. Trying not to say that too fast because it's a bit of a tongue twister. All of these printables I sell in my shop. I do have some other things that actually aren't featured here. These were just the ones that I needed for this particular party. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite children's party has been. Perhaps you put it on for your own child, or it was one you attended. I'd love to hear about it. Please drop a comment below.